Alright guys, so today to start off my channel, I'm going to introduce you guys to a design application called SketchUp. And for those who don't know, SketchUp is basically a tool that help you visualize a design that you either saw at showroom or you have in mind. So here I just drew a table, which we have a human figure here, which is basically a nice scale to show us how um, when a human is right next to it, how big does it look? And today I will be drawing a table that look exactly like the one I just did with SketchUp. So a table is usually 32 inches long. So to start off, we're going to draw a line of 32 inches on the blue axis. So when the pencil when the line turn blue when you click on line, that means it's on the blue axis. And the same story with the red and green axis. So this case we do on the blue axis, and we are going to be typing 32 and enter. So now we have our 32 inches line. We are also, so this table is going to be about 7 feet. Um, yep, about, yep. Let me just make sure right here. Yep, 7 feet long. So 7 feet is, so yeah, we are drawing on the red axis, and it is 7 feet tall. So at this point, we have um, um, the lines are looking like this. So we can just, let me see if this, yep. So if you just point the endpoint to the other endpoint, it will, and you see the red dots on the bottom. That means it's understanding that you want to draw a square, and there we go. And now you will want to use the push-pull tool and to just push out this square to, let me just make sure here. All right, 3 foot. So we're gonna push this out to 3 foot. So just type 3 foot and enter. All right, at this point, it is good to color it first, so we don't have to color each side later to your desired material, of course. All right, so now we are going to create the effect that's right here, the foot of the table. So what I did here was I drew lines to I drew a 1 foot line, which is 12 inches. So we click 12 here, and we check, and yep, there we go. There is our endpoint. And we keep drawing another endpoint. which is another foot, and we want to go 3 inches inside. And just follow the right axis. And same story, and yep, it's picking up what I want to do. Click and put it on edge. And here you want to go and select the midpoint and just drew it to the end of this line. And we're gonna pick the eraser and erase those lines. That's extra for the foot. So we will repeat the process on all 4 sides. 12 inches, 3 inches, 12 inches, and 3. And use the midpoint. And repeat the process again on the other side. 12 inch, 12 inch, 3 inch, 3 inch, midpoint, midpoint, and erase. And same story on the last side. Okay, so we have our foot of the table design. So now we want, so since this is a 72 inch table, we want to leave exactly 2 inches for the board on the top. So that basically means we have to push up 30 inches to be able to have the 2-inch room. So we're just gonna click on the surface, move it up a little bit, and put in 30. And voila! So we have the same exact table I just created. So yeah, this is, in my opinion, a very useful application to illustrate, how things will look like, and maybe you can use it to design something before you make it into real life. So yeah, this is the end of my first video.